Part A. Practice your reading skills by reading along with the narrator.
The city where I live. I live in a city called Greenfield. It's a small and peaceful place with friendly people. In Greenfield, there are many parks and trees, so it feels very green and lush. My favorite park is Emerald Green Park, because it has a big playground with swings and slides. I like to go there with my friends and play. There are also some small shops and cafes in Greenfield where you can buy snacks or have a drink. My favorite cafe is called Sunny Beans. They make delicious hot chocolate. Greenfield is not a big city, so there is not much traffic. Most people walk or ride bicycles to get around. I have a bicycle, and I ride it to school every day. It's fun and good exercise. In the evenings, I like to walk along the river that runs through Greenfield. It's very peaceful, and I can see ducks swimming in the water. Sometimes, I even see a beautiful sunset. Overall, I love living in Greenfield. It's a calm and beautiful city with lots of nature and friendly people.
Part B. Test your understanding and see how well you've understood the passage. Ready?